Hi everyone, my name is Pedro, and in today's video we're going to be looking at IELTS Writing Part 2, and in particular how to answer opinion essays. In Writing Part 2, you'll be given a topic to write about in an academic or neutral style. Your answer will have to be discursive in nature, which means you may have to give an opinion, present a problem and a solution, or discuss whether you agree or disagree with the point of view. You'll have about 40 minutes to do this, and you should write at least 250 words. As I mentioned at the beginning, in this video, we're going to focus on writing opinion essays. So let's take a look at an example question. First thing you need to do is read the question to understand the topic and to check if the question is asking for your opinion. Sometimes the question will directly ask you to state an opinion, but in some questions it may be worded differently. For example, to what extent do you agree or disagree, or discuss both views and give your opinion. In some instances, you may be asked a direct question without the words opinion, agree, disagree, or discuss anywhere in the question. Once you've read the question and established that it is asking for your opinion, take a moment to decide what your opinion is and come up with some ideas of what you could talk about. Don't make the mistake of not giving an opinion. If you argue both sides and then don't say where you stand, you might not get the score you deserve. Your essay should be clearly organized, with an introduction, at least 2 main body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Your introduction is important, so you want to get this right. The introduction shows the examiner that you have understood the question. It also gives them an indication of what your opinion is and how your essay will be structured. The introduction doesn't need to be long, but there are some features that it should have. Look at this example. This introduction has 4 sentences, each with a different function. The first is a general sentence about the topic, which is followed by 2 sentences that support the first. They also use your own words to start focusing on the question. So let's move on to the main body paragraphs. Make sure your paragraphs start with topic sentences, and that each topic sentence is then followed by a couple of sentences supporting your opinion. Topic sentences are important, as they tell the reader what the subject of the paragraph is and what you'll be saying about it. You should then expand your topic sentence by including either an explanation, some evidence, an example, or maybe some experience if it's relevant. These sentences are important as they develop the main idea and are proof of the point you are making. You only need a topic sentence and a couple of sentences supporting your statement to have a paragraph. Don't forget to use linking words to connect your sentences and your paragraphs. You'll be marked on your coherence and cohesion, so your topic sentences, supporting sentences, and linking words will all contribute to this. You should finish your essay with a conclusion. In the conclusion, you should summarize what you wrote in the introduction and the main body paragraphs and restate your opinion. You only need 2 or 3 sentences, and I would recommend not introducing any new ideas here. It should also begin with a linking word or phrase to tell the reader that it is the conclusion. And that's all for this video. I hope these tips have been useful. Good luck with your studies, and I'll see you in the next one.